In this question, the force extension graph for a spring is shown. The force on the y-axis, 0, 1, 2, and 3. The extension on the x-axis, 0, 0.1, 0, 0.2, 0, 0.3, 0, 0.4. Now we need to calculate the work done in joule to extend the spring by 0 0.3. So this is the value of the extension, 0 0.3. I have to draw a vertical dotted line until I meet the straight line from the origin, and to find the value here, which is 2.5 Newton. So this is the value of the force, and this is the value of the extension, 0 0.3. Here, I cannot use the formula F times x, force times displacement. This is completely wrong because it is not a straight line parallel to the time axis. I have to use the mathematical concept, which is work done is the area under the graph. So area under the graph. Work done equals half times base times the height. The value of the base, which is 0 0.30, times the height, which is 2.5. The correct answer for question 4 is B.